Hey guys, this is Shmule coming at you. This damn heat and ignition system is something's wrong with it. I'm gonna try to check the capacitor and to give it a jump starter kit. First thing you do, pull out the damn service disconnect. What? Open the panel up. Try not to kill yourself. I'm not a damn heat and air conditioning contractor, but I slept at a damn Holiday Inn Express. Open that up. Get your damn voltage testers out. Make sure. Oh, I can't check that damn capacitor like that, but I can put this damn jump starter. Where's the kit at? Hold on, everybody. Okay, we're back in the game. I'm gonna put this jump starter kit on there. This is what this is you got a capacitor here that a compressor or any motor has a locked rotor position, and that requires 125 amps of its voltage. So I'm gonna put this jump starter kit on there. One side goes to the damn common, and the other side goes to the compressor, which in this case is gonna be called Hearns, harmonic. Damn, I can't see shit. God, pause for glasses. Okay, guys, I'm blind. I can't see the damn. Okay. Here's the common. The capacitor is just a super, like a jumper cable. Gives it an extra more juice. That says fan. The other one's got to be for the compressor. Okay. Yahtzee, we got it hooked up. Now let's put the damn service disconnect power back in it. I think I can bypass the thermostat and just fire that bastard up. Let's see. What? I think that's just the fan. I don't think the compressor kicked on. Let's hold it and let it cycle and see if it comes on. If it does that burn, that bastard's locked up. But if it burn and bust loose, we were in the damn money. If it was running, it sounded like a refrigerator. You know when it comes on, the compressor kicks on? There it is. Ah, see, that bitch is locked. Uh-oh, excuse my language. It's just a $1,600. I don't know how much that bastard costs, because one thing I can't, they won't sell me the Freon without a heat and air license. And if I had it, I wouldn't know what to do with it no way. I need a vacuum to vacuum down the system. And then I need, what? Vacuum it down. No. To change this compressor, I have to take the old one out, meaning I have to sweat it out. And then solder it back in. I could do that. Then I have to vacuum it down and charge the unit, which I don't have the Freon and I don't have the vacuum. Is it worth buying it? If I'm going in the heat and air conditioning business, it would. But I'm not. Damn. Well, it was worth a shot. Wait a minute, the capacitor could be bad. So we just using the damn super box and the capacitor could be bad. All right, we're gonna change the capacitor. Right? Any you heat and air conditioning guys, comment below. Is this a good way to check it? I'm gonna pull this out, de-energize it some type of way, because I know that capacitor will hold a charge for a minute. Common, that should ground it out if it did have a charge. I remember that from my days at damn DeVry. Remember that, Chris? or the Vrotec capacitors. All right. So, best thing to do is hook it up just like you see. So, fan is brown. Why is that always the case? Stand by, guys! Hey, y'all comment below if this is a good way to check this, especially heat and air conditioning contractors. Fan is brown. Shit is easy until you get killed. And purple and red are common. I should have took a picture. Purple and red. And then the yellow is compressor. There it is. Okay, now to put the starter on it. Now, should I just check it with the new capacitor? That capacitor looks a lot smaller than the one I just took it off of, though. Okay, so common gets juice, and fan fan means no, not fan. Compressor. Yes. So that means it's shooting the juice through the compressor. All right, let's try it again. Okay. Put the damn how to at least troubleshoot. Man, they charge you $200 just to troubleshoot it. But it's worth it in the event you got electrocuted. Always remember that. Electrocution is worth $200. I mean, the fact of not getting it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Not shit. Not shit. Let's make sure we got a good I ain't feeling good about how this damn okay, we got it in there now, guys. Here we go. We're bypassing the damn thermostat, going straight for the jugular. Fan's running. That compressor sounded like it was coming on, but I don't think it did. Let's let it cycle. I think what this does is says, give it help. Meaning that compressor hold on. Comment below. Tell me if this is a good way to check this damn compressor. Come on. See, that's it trying to come on, but it's stuck. That compressor must have some type of bearings inside of it. It can be contaminated. The bearings could be wore out. Bearings could be wore out. What else? Or the refrigerant could be low. So many factors that a person that ain't supposed to be touching this shit won't know without the right stuff. But one damn thing we do know, the capacitors are good. I checked to see if the coils on the compressor were grounded. They were not. I checked the terminals on the compressor to see if the coils had continuity, and all three poles did. So am I safe? Is it safe to say that damn compressor is bad? All you contractors, please comment and let me know. I'm gonna cut this video short because I don't want to spend up much of y'all's time. Give me the thumbs up if this made any damn sense, or thumbs down if this was a dumbass move, or comment below how I can check to see if this compressor is bad. Should I go turn on the thermostat, or is this a way to just bypass it and get the compressor running? Comment below, please. Let me know. This is serious business, man. I don't have no money to just be throwing somebody to come out here. I don't mind paying a contractor to give me a diagnostic evaluation, but they want so much. But I live an hour away from America, so it makes sense. Inflation's got where your back's against the corner. They sell these mini split systems, but I'm set up inside with a damn heat and air conditioning. This is a split system. I got a nice heat system inside. It's only 6 years old. Could it be under warranty? I just bought this house 2 years ago. Let's see if it's gonna cycle one more time before I end the video. I tried. Oh,